How you doing, guys? You doing good? Of course you are, because you're back here. You want to learn how to do the backside roundhouse cutback. Now, this is the spot where I'm going to show you how to do it. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to do a frontside roundhouse cutback, be sure to check that out. Now, we're doing backside, baby. Let's break it down. Yo! Before we break it down, if you watched my previous video on how to do a frontside roundhouse cutback, you know that the difference between a roundhouse cutback and a normal cutback is essentially just the addition of the big snap that we do at the end. Instead of just, sort of hitting the whitewash and redirecting in a normal cutback, a roundhouse cutback, we're coming up, we're banking it right off the top, we're throwing the fins, doing a karate chop. It's fucking way cooler than a normal cutback. Now, the cool thing with a roundhouse backside cutback is that when we're hitting it, because we're hitting it on our forehand, we can throw like a little laid back clay marzo, laid back drop wallet, fucking cool thing like that. Now it's going to require a lot more core strength if you're doing it out in the ocean, the right kind of section, but nonetheless you can try it. Now I will show you guys how to do that on your surf skate, so stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to do that. But for now, let's break it down for you. Yo! Alright, we're setting up our backside roundhouse cutback with the bottom turn. We're compressing, engaging the rail on the heel side, using that front arm to guide us into the direction that we want to go, and looking at the section that we want to hit. Once we get up to that section, we begin to extend. We begin to rotate our head, shoulders, and arms and head into the direction that we want to turn. We begin to compress again, engaging the rail on the toe side, shifting our weight forward over our chest here, using that back arm to guide us into the direction that we want to turn, and we just hold that rail on the toe side all the way around on that cutback, and then we begin to extend again, setting up for that snap off the top. We extend, rotate our head, shoulders, and arms, and we're kicking out with that back leg and pushing it all the way around to get that release off the top, and making sure our arms come up about head to shoulder high to help us get that release. Once we get that release, we come down here and we compress, making sure our chest comes over the front of our knees here, and we're staying lower control and riding out of it with speed, ready to go up, straight up into the next section. Let's rebound with a cool little drop wallet, lay back, clay marzo, clay back type thing. It's exactly the same mechanics when we come through onto that extension, into that compression again. We're sticking out our back arm and shifting our weight onto that back arm and kicking out our legs at the same time, pivoting on that back arm. We use it to pick ourselves back up on top of our board, making sure our chest comes over the front of our knees, and we ride out of it cleanly with speed and control. the backside roundhouse cutback. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned something. Go out and share it with your friends. Go out and share it with whoever it is. Show them your new skills, show them your new tricks. Go out in the park and just have fun, you know? Because life is too short not to have fun. Anyway guys, happy surf skating. Go out and shred. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one.